Overdoses can happen in a moment, but you have the power to save a life with naloxone nasal spray, a safe, easy-to-use medication that can reverse an opioid overdose. When someone's overdosing, you can be the difference, and you don't need to be a doctor to help. Just carry naloxone and remember, I care. I identify. Look for signs of an overdose. Are they not waking up or sleeping in an odd position? Are they breathing slowly or not at all? Is their skin cold, sweaty? Or do they have pale or blue lips? Try calling their name and asking if they are okay. If they don't respond, try tapping their shoulder or gently shaking them. C. Call 911. If they won't wake up, aren't breathing normally, or you can see skin color changes, call 911 immediately. Washington has laws that protect you and the person overdosing from prosecution for drug possession. A. Administer naloxone. Insert the nasal spray all the way into the nostril and press the plunger with your thumb. It may take up to 2 minutes for the naloxone to work. R. Rescue breathing. Place them on their back, tilt their head back, and pinch their nose closed. Cover their mouth with your mouth and give one normal breath every 5 seconds. You can use a barrier device if you have one. If the person does not wake up in 3 minutes, about 20 breaths, give another dose of naloxone and continue rescue breathing. Most people only need 1 dose of naloxone to reverse an opioid overdose. E. Ensure safety. If they start breathing but are not fully awake, move them onto their side in the recovery position. Most people will wake up and sit up on their own. They will be confused and may feel very sick. Help them stay calm. Tell them they are safe now and that they weren't breathing and were given naloxone. If they don't go to the hospital, have someone stay with them for 2 hours to keep an eye on them if you can. They could overdose again. You have the power to save a life. To learn more and find naloxone, visit kingcounty.gov/overdose/care.